Hi, ladies, gentlemen, and all the chemistry lovers. My name is Juan Mateo Romero Sosa, a student of pharmacy of the National University, participating for the contest My Molecule. In this opportunity, I'm presenting the Jasmonic acid. First of all, to analyze the molecule, we have to take into account the main information that's in the structure and the chemical properties. The number or name under the title represents the UPAC name of the molecule that could be summarized up in the pentyl cyclopentyl acetic acid. Now, structurally, we have to take into account the CAS number, that is 6894-388, that is the ID of the molecule. Also, in the structure, we can see that the most part of the molecule is composed by carbon, around 69%, because it's an organic molecule. The rest of the molecule is composed by hydrogen and oxygen. Also, the molecular mass is around 210 grams per mole. Now, analyzing some of the chemical properties of the molecule, we can see the water solubility around 1 gram per liter, the boiling point around 358 Celsius degrees at standard conditions, the density that's around 1.1 gram per centimeter cubic, and vapor pressure, such as another properties. Now we have to analyze the synthesis of the jasmonic acid. First of all, we have to take into account that the jasmonic acid is produced by a process of biosynthesis, which starts with the alpha-linolenic acid, which suffers an oxidation by the lipoxygenase to turn into a peroxide. Then that molecule, by presence of the alene oxide synthase, turns into the alene oxide. After being catalyzed by the alene oxide cyclase, it turns into the 12-oxofetodilenoic acid, which finally suffers process of deoxidations to arrive just to the jasmonic acid. Now, talking about the history, we have to take into account the alpha-linolenic acid, which was first of all synthesized artificially in 1995, based on a Weydig reaction that consists on the interaction among a phosphonium halide with a ketone or aldehyde, followed by the saponification process in order to arrive finally to the fatty grass, the alpha-linolenic acid. Now, talking about the description, we have to highlight that it's a hormone and a fatty acid, as I said previously, biosynthesized from the linolenic acid, and its functions are mainly the plant growth and development, in which are involved factors as the growth inhibition, the senescence, tendril coiling, flower development, leaf abscission, and tuber formations, all of these from the different parts of the plant, and the immune responses, such abiotic factors like droughts, biotic like plaques, stress, and woundings. Now, common uses for the jasmonic acid involve the agrochemical, the biochemistry, and the human activities. For the agrochemical, they are producing pesticides due to their capacity of the jasmonic acid to involve in the immune responses of the plants. By the side of the biochemistry, they are developing fertilizers for the plants to help them to grow up due to their capacities. And for humans, it's used like a supplement because it's considered the jasmonic acid as one of the essential oils that can be just consumed from plants. It in the body can be found in the cytoplasm of the cells and also in the membrane. As a curious data, the carboxylation of the jasmonate or jasmonic acid can derive in the jasmone, that it's the compound that gives the pretty smell for the jasmine. Thank you for watching.